Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Upper Deck the Cup box break number 14. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. Serial number on the tin. It's NE189450969. It's NE189450969. So here we go. Best of luck, everybody. It's close to Christmas, so hopefully I can pull something nice out of this tin. Here we go. Start with the base card for the Ducks of Bobby Ryan. 145 out of 249. Nice hit for the Avalanche. It's an auto rookie patch card of Cameron Gaunce. 150 out of 249. Cameron Gaunce. Have a nice hit here for the Rangers. It's a signature patches duel of Brendan Dubinsky and Derek Stepan. Nice hits for the Rangers, 6 out of 35. We have a nice hit here. We have the Stanley Cup signatures duels of Bobby Orr and Milt Schmidt. That card goes to Boston. Bobby Orr and Milt Schmidt. The Cup, Stanley Cup signatures duels. Nice hit for Boston. And we have a jersey card of Mika Kiprasov, 3 out of 25 for the Flames. And then to finish it off, a beautiful hit. It's a dual enshrinements, 4 out of 35 of John Tavares and Matt Duchene. This is going to be randomized between the Islanders and the Avalanche. So let me just get that set up. Give me 1 second. So here we go, between the Islanders and the Avalanche. Gonna randomize it 3 times. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. So that card goes to Colorado. The Tavares Matt Duchene dual enshrinements card, 4 out of 35. So nice hit for Colorado. Thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time. And I just want to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, and all the best to you and your family during this holiday season.